coming May 4th to several YouTube channels near you. A parade collaboration of epic proportions, presented by the magnificent Donna of the channel It's Art by Donna M. May the 4th be with you. Parade collaboration. Coming May 4th, 2021. In a galaxy far, far away. Well, really it's this one we are all in. However, it sounded far more interesting to say it is far, far away. Right, on with the story. In said galaxy where this actually takes place, several artists come together in one common goal, to spread peace to the universe one painting at a time. What a lofty plan! It was at the realization of one young Jedi Knight that this epic adventure was set to commence. The Jedi's realization was that it is only through uniting and spreading joy and happiness that a thread of commonality would finally unite all of humankind once and for all, and thereby, finally, the light would prevail over the dark side. So now, noble painters, fill your cups, and let the pores flow, one painting at a time. May the 4th be with you. Taking their inspiration from stunning galaxy imagery, the artists, armed with their colorful paints, set forth to bring into existence their artistic expressions of the great galaxy through various techniques, all for your viewing pleasure and, of course, to do their part to instill peace in the universe and to help ensure the ultimate success of the light side. It's a noble endeavor, but one they are sure they will succeed in. Wishing you peace and joy, friends. And of course, may the 4th be with you. Luke, is it you they were referring to, the young Jedi Knight that came up with this plan? Why, yes, Leia, it is me. How did you know? Well, I don't know. For one thing, there aren't very many Jedi Knights, and, well, it just seems like something that maybe you would think up. Well, thank you, Leia, I guess. Yes, thank you. Luke, please tell me your plan. Tell me how you came up with this idea. Tell me how after all of these years and years and years of fighting out in the galaxies that extend far out in the universe, did you come up with such a plan like this, such a plan of beauty and peace, and why is it that you think it'll work? Well, Leia, it's based on a memory of an experience that I had when I was a boy. I'd forgotten about it, blocked it out of my memory for so many years, and then in a flash, it came back to me, and I realized that based on what happened then, that this is the way to finally succeed, the way to finally bring peace into the universe once and for all, and for the light side to prevail over the dark side. Oh, Luke, I'm just dying to hear the story. Won't you please tell me? Well, Leia, as we speak, it is being worked on madly by an editor nearby, for you see I have already told the story in a video testimonial. Surely you can wait until then. Oh, Luke, I'm your sister after all. Won't you please just tell me now? Leia, oh gosh, your buns are just so distracting. Luke, I'm your sister, for heaven's sake. Oh, Leia, I mean the buns in your hair. They make me think of these amazing cinnamon buns that my great-grandmother used to make when I was a young boy. When I think of them, I can still smell the sweet cinnamony yumminess wafting in the air. Oh, what I wouldn't give to taste those cinnamon buns just one more time. Oh, okay, Luke, well, I thought you meant never mind. I just won't even think of it. Yes, better not, Leia. Yes, definitely better not. Oh, Luke, I cannot wait to hear the story. I cannot wait to find out what your experience was and what led you to this great epic idea. And how is it that you have brought these artists together to come into this collaboration, this army of wonderful artists that was spoken of? Well, Leia, you see, I was working closely with the artist Donna of It's Art by Donna M., and she received my message, and then she conveyed the message idea to the other artists, and they have agreed to come together to bring their finest. Together, these artists, along with their viewers, will help instill the great vibration of peace, harmony, and joy through all of mankind, spreading out to the whole entire universe. Oh, Luke, what an amazing idea! I can't wait to hear all of the details of exactly what went into this, and I most certainly can't wait to see all of the beautiful artistic finery that the artists are going to present to us. Yes, Leia, it most certainly will be a beautiful, epic occasion. Now, Leia, I must wish you a goodbye for this day and evening. May the 4th be with you, Leia, and also with you, Luke.